Thank you for dropping by the distance learning portal. By the 18th of April, pages within our portal had been viewed 18,100 times. We have had visitors from 9 other countries including India, Finland, South Korea and Egypt. Our site seems to be popular in the US, particularly California, Texas, and New York. Let's take a quick tour of the portal. At the top of the screen you will see the navigation menu. You will find a hamburger menu icon if you are using a mobile phone or maybe on an iPad or other tablet. Otherwise, you will notice the text menu above. The text menu will go to the main page for that section, such as tech cards. However, 1 or 2 submenus might appear below the main button. Dig around, you might find some gems, or discover that you have some hidden talents, such as coding, juggling or songwriting. One of our sections might line up nicely with your cooking night. If I have just given your parents or guardians a great idea, which you do not approve of, don't get mad at me, I'm just a virtual voice. I didn't even draw these pictures. Anyway, if you have a cooking night coming up, why not surprise your family with a meal from the Heart Foundation? We have even created a wheel for you to spin, to help you choose and eliminate options. You might even want to share a photograph of your gourmet successes. Check out the photo upload page, within the Cooking Tech Arts section. We have so much else for you to explore. Grab a book from our digital library, get some math done at Manga High, we have additions coming to the science submenu. Have a go at creating a John Bergerman inspired cartoon art, learn some guitar chords, or build something in Minecraft education. By the way, the Distance Learning Jamboard needs some funny or inspiring posts for isolationists. When we add any new content, I'll let you know on the home page. I've now got some housekeeping items to go over. Don't forget to regularly check your school Gmail. During school hours, email is your first form of communication with your teacher. If you notice any errors or broken links on this site, let us know via the feedback page, under support. If you have problems signing into your school account, please contact your teacher via email, and describe the problem. For anyone visiting outside of our school domain, we won't be able to share any linked school docs with you. However, thank you for visiting. Finally, be extra kind to one another, and keep to your bubble.